They've got 10 minutes to find 5 balls. In the tanks we have live squirming worms and grasshoppers, cockroaches, crabs and smelly fish. We have slimy spaghetti. Awful, I hate awful.
And now, in a surprise twist for Gal, we are going to swap our footy show pest for a real life pest, Jimmy Maloney. He's going to annoy the hell out of Gal.
Gal and Birdie, now, I don't know how are you feeling, Birdie? You all right?
I'm a bit nervous, I'm scared.
You'll be scared. Now, we all know that Gal is a bit of a sook in this area and is extremely scared of creepy, crawly stuff. How are you feeling?
Could be one of the stupidest things I've done. I'm not looking forward to it at all.
What do you particularly hate?
I just don't like getting scared, you know? People think behind me and that. I just don't like it.
Smells like shit in here.
Oh my God. Oh, I can't do this.
Can I get his goggles off now? Shit.
What are you walking away from?
Oh, my knee.
Don't, just stay still for a second.
Wait.
Just let me grab you.
Listen.
No, that's fake. I can hear that.
That
That's
one's
all right.
fake, but there's a mouse hanging off this.
I'm not grabbing. What are you trying to get away from me?
You're gonna follow me. You're gonna walk
No, I don't care what we find. I was saying 10 million, I don't give a shit.
Good start, boys. Good start.
Put your hand up.
No, I'm not finding it. I don't care. You do it.
Hang on.
You got it? Something?
No. Oh. There's a box here. Put your hand in there.
Oh, there's something on my foot.
Put your hand in
No,
there.
I'm not leaving. Where?
Put your hand in his
No.
box. Lean out.
No. It's not funny, baby.
Oh, no, I don't want to put my hand in there.
Oh, what the
That's the box. Shall I put my hand in there?
Yeah, have a go.
This is stupid. He's got me foot.
Put your hand on the thing. Go in front of me.
Touch it, we can't go. Wait, I can't do this. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Wait, listen. Put your foot down here. Hand here.
Wait, where?
Birdie's leading the way in here. Gal is a pussycat.
Oh, it's disgusting. No, it's not it.
We can't find anything in here.
What about that box?
Wait, it feels like I'm in a dead end here, bro. I've got something here, man.
Just don't let it go.
What's this? We need to put our hands in the box.
4 minutes gone, boys.
Is there anything bad in here?
You tough footballers. Hello.
You stick your hand in there.
Oh, we'll go together.
I don't know.
Ready? We'll go together. Ready? No, we'll go together.
Oh, what the f is that? Man, this is stupid. I don't like this. What are you doing?
No, we'll go together.
Ah, what the
You alive, Gal?
Do a touch. Oh, that's worms. That's worms. I think it's worms,
Something pissed in my mouth.
I think it's worms.
Oh, you go first?
I'm doing it, look.
There's another box here. Or is that the same box?
Same. Oh, disgusting.
Queensland, have a listen. This is what you're up against. Hello.
Oh, what the man? Someone just touched me face.
Yeah, I got one.
Got a ball?
Yeah, I got one.
One ball. I mean, seriously, how bad's that?
What was that?
No.
Ah, but
You've got 2 minutes to go. You need to find some balls.
yeah, it's hard. It's hard in here.
Yeah, there's something here.
Where?
Yeah, there.
On the floor.
I am not sticking my hand in there.
There's something moving here. Look.
Where?
See it? See that thing floating?
Come and
that
check.
thing
Come and
floating,
check
bro?
this.
See that thing floating? Someone did that.
You got him. 1-0. Sorry, stick your head in his bin.
Ah, what the
So that's just a guy.
No, there's something in there, bro. Something.
Yeah, that's like something.
You got 10, 9,
Yeah, I'm happy just
Hey.
to stand here.
I got one.
7,
Another one.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look at him. We should have flogged him.
Oh, maggots, bro.
No, it's not. It's
Yeah, that's maggots.
What is two? Oh, yuck, there was real stuff. Oh my God.
Oh,
Oh my God. Get out. That's disgusting.
Who would you think was more scared, you or him?
me.
He was.
Or you?
Nah, he was scared at the
I
start.
was scared at the start. I got
He
better.
kept holding me, and then I was holding on to him.
Well, let's have a look how you went.
Two balls.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, 2 balls, so basically a failure.